Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for tuning in. In this third part of my video, I want to show you guys how I installed this unit. And I say third part because the first part was me showing you how I reached this color using a bleach bath. The second part was sort of how I did the bowl cap method before I installed this unit. I'm going to link the videos up here for you guys to see, or here, I don't know which side, but they'll be up there and probably in the description box as well, so you can check it out later. This is the third part. Sorry guys, don't mind my daughter screaming outside. In this third part, I just want to show you guys how I installed this unit using bolt hole lace glue. So if you're interested in seeing how I do that, please keep watching. So I'm starting by applying my first coat of bolt hole glue onto my hairline, and I'm trying to stay as close as possible to the cap, but not really applying the glue onto the cap, more like applying it onto my hairline. I'm just going to position my wig already while the glue is drying up. I'm applying a second coat. I only did 2 coats in this video just because my first coat was quite thick. You can do 1 to 3 coats of glue. Obviously 3 coats is better because it means that the wig will stay on much longer. You have to wait for the glue to go clear before you apply your wig. My glue is clear now, and I'm just putting down my lace now, and I'm pressing it into the glue with my fingers. And I'm also going to use a red tail comb, which makes it a bit easier to just really get the lace down onto the glue. I've wrapped my head now, and I'm blow drying it on medium heat just so that the lace can really melt into the glue. And it is ready, and just look at that melt, guys. I'm just cutting the hair a bit shorter in front to create some baby hair. And I use styling mousse to create baby hair. Don't mind the whiteness that's being created by the hair mousse. Wrapping my head again to set the mousse and lay the baby hair, and this is also going to help to remove the whiteness that the mousse created. And I'm doing this on medium heat as well. It is done, and this is how it looks like now. I'm just gonna go ahead and trim this hair. I'm not really going to cut out a lot of hair. I'm actually even using my razor comb just to get excess hair off because I don't want it to be too short. And bam, this is the end result, guys, and the end of my video. I really hope you enjoyed this video. In the comment box below, I want you guys to tell me if you've tried to apply your wig at home with lace glue. I'm only now getting into applying my wigs with glue, and I would really love to chat to you guys about how that works for you. Anyway, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Balvana, and in today's video, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And if and don't mind the dogs in the background, y'all. My neighbor's dogs, and now my daughter is talking. You think it's funny to do a bloody hell?